Okay, week 4, here we go. First of all, for those of you that did the senior goodbye messages, your week 3 assignment, I wanted to, number 1, say thank you, and number 2, to applaud you. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of hard not to get emotional reading them as I'm working on compiling them for each of the respective seniors. Your words and your thoughts and your kindness, your appreciation for them, it's pretty overwhelming, and I'm confident that I can speak on behalf of the seniors that when they get those journals with your messages in them in the mail, that's going to be very, very meaningful and impactful, and they're going to have those to keep with them for forever. And never before have we, I think, had a senior class that is more in need of those words of kindness and encouragement and some positivity. So thank you for doing that. If you've yet to do them, you still can. I would say by the end of this week, this coming week, so May 4, 5, 6, 7, May 8th, is that this coming Friday? Whatever this coming Friday is, that would probably be the deadline, is when I'll just stop, even if you do them after that point, because there has to be a stopping point so that I can print and actually put them in each of the journals and then get them ready to mail out. So you have a couple more days, but get on it. And if you have questions or need help, let me know. I'm happy to help. So on a similar note then, your assignment for this week is writing a letter of affirmation to anyone that you want. I thought this week 3 was about, being kind and writing kind words to, you didn't really have a choice. I kind of told you who you had to write to. And then this week is about writing to someone of your choice. So I gave you some suggestions in the written instructions, but you're all good at this. This is not the first time you've done this. So take your pick. Something I did want to just reiterate is that you don't need to send the letter to whoever you choose to write to. You can if you want. If it's someone that I am able to contact and you would like me to send it on your behalf, that's absolutely fine. I'm happy to do that, but you have to let me know. I'm not going to send anything unless you tell me to, unless you want me to. So this exercise is actually really beneficial just by doing it. It's beneficial to you as the person who's writing the letter. It doesn't have to be, you don't actually have to send it in order to get something from this. It's actually really therapeutic and beneficial to journal in the form of letters of affirmation, which is why I'm having you do this. So that being said, if you want to send it, go right ahead. As far as for turning it in, I noted this in the instructions, but you may, ideas, you can just type it and then copy and paste into the Google form that I attached to this, and then click submit on the Google form, and I'll get it that way. Or you can, if you want to handwrite something, you feel free to handwrite it, take a picture, and then send it to me, email it to me, and I'll give you credit that way. As long as I see that you've actually taken the time to write the letter, you'll get credit. So however you want to make that happen, I can work with it. You just got to let me know. Length, it doesn't matter. I mean, everybody's letter length is going to be different depending on who they're writing to. So I don't want to put any restrictions on it. I just ask that you take it seriously. Other than that, I think that's all I have to let you guys know about for week 4. Hopefully you've all gotten our little Evite for our all choir Zoom goodbye, whatever you want to call it, on Friday, May 15th, which is it would have been the seniors' last day in class. So we're going to use it as a chance to connect with as many of you as are able, and we can kind of all see each other's faces. I might ask everybody to, depending on how many show up, I might ask for like a quick round of happy crappies or just a quick like attendance question sort of thing. And then the hope is to let the seniors say a couple final words to everybody. Maybe I'll have them answer a few more questions for us all, and then reveal the award of the National Choral Award recipient, and go from there. So it should be pretty short and sweet, but for those of you that are able, I think it'd be really special and meaningful to kind of help us bring some closure to this really crazy year. I'll continue to bombard your inbox with reminders of that, don't worry. Okay, and then I think the final thing is, if you have not yet checked in on office hours during Zoom Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and you're thinking about it, you totally should. We've had a couple repeat offenders here who I can count on every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and we've taken to playing some games, and it's actually been really fun. So yeah, if that's something that like you've kind of been on the fence about, I would encourage you to do it. It's been fun. So all right, I think that's all. I'm rambling now, so I'm just gonna let you go. Goodbye, love you, hope you're well, miss you, miss you, miss you.